Hello everyone. The CBSE has revised the syllabus for class 12 due to the situation arisen from COVID-19 and almost 30% syllabus reduced कर दिया गया है. So here we'll discuss what all things have been deducted from the syllabus of class 12 commerce. तो हम कॉमर्स के जो भी पॉपुलर सब्जेक्ट्स हैं उनमें क्या क्या टॉपिक्स डिलीट हो गए हैं आइए देखते हैं. सबसे पहले क्लास 12 का इकोनॉमिक्स सिलेबस देखते हैं. पार्ट ए है इंट्रोडक्टरी मैक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स. मनी एंड बैंकिंग चैप्टर में से जो टॉपिक्स डिलीट किए गए हैं वो है कंट्रोल ऑफ क्रेडिट थ्रू बैंक रेट, CRR, SLR, रेपो रेट एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट, ओपन मार्केट ऑपरेशंस, मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट. बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट्स यूनिट 5 में से बैलेंस ऑफ पेमेंट्स डेफिसिट मीनिंग डिटर्मिनेशन ऑफ एक्सचेंज रेट इन अ फ्री मार्केट. यू डोंट हैव टू स्टडी दीज टॉपिक्स, दीज हैव बीन डिलीटेड. Now part B is Indian economic development. इसमें current challenges facing Indian economy में से growth of education sector in India, alternative farming, organic farming, infrastructure, energy. These topics have been deleted. Now let us see कि business studies subject में से क्या क्या कुछ delete हुआ है. Principles of functions of management में business environment में से demonetization concept has been deleted. Impact of government policy changes on business with special reference to liberalization, privatization and globalization. This topic has also been deleted. आपको ये नहीं पढ़ना है. Unit 4 planning में से single use and standing plans, objective, strategy, policy, procedure, method, rule, budget and program. This has been deleted. Now in Unit 5 organizing, formal and informal organization concept पढ़ना नहीं है. स्टाफिंग चैप्टर में से स्टाफिंग एज अ पार्ट ऑफ ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट कॉन्सेप्ट हैज बीन डिलीटेड. डायरेक्टिंग चैप्टर में से बैरियर्स टू इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन, हाउ टू ओवरकम द बैरियर्स, दिस हैज बीन डिलीटेड. कंट्रोलिंग में से रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन प्लानिंग एंड कंट्रोलिंग हैज बीन डिलीटेड. नाउ पार्ट बी इज बिजनेस फाइनेंस एंड मार्केटिंग. मार्केटिंग यूनिट में से फिजिकल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन, components and channels of distribution has been removed from the syllabus. In consumer protection importance has been removed. Consumer awareness, role of consumer organizations and NGOs has been deleted. Now let us have a look at accountancy. Accountancy में क्या क्या कुछ delete हुआ है. Under accounting for partnership firms, reconstitution and dissolution, admission of a partner, adjustment of capital accounts and preparation of balance sheet, retirement and death of a partner, adjustment of capital accounts, preparation of loan account of the retiring partner, preparation of deceased partner's capital account and his executor's account. This has been deleted. Unit 3 accounting for companies में accounting for debentures के under redemption of debentures, methods, lump sum, draw of lots. This has been deleted. Now let us see class 12th English core में क्या क्या कुछ delete हुआ है. Reading section में note making and summarizing has been deleted. Under literature section Flamingo book में से Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places. These 3 chapters have been deleted and Roadside Stand poem has been deleted. From the Vistas books, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth and Memories of Childhood. These 3 chapters have been deleted. Under the writing section poster making has been deleted. Business or official letters for inquiry, that is inquiry letter, complaint letter, order letter, replies. These have been deleted. Speech and debate writing has been deleted. So these are the deleted topics for class 12th commerce and applied mathematics में class 12th में कुछ भी delete नहीं हुआ है. So I hope this video is useful to you. If you liked it, do hit the like button, share it with your friends and for more videos do subscribe to our channel Success CDs Education.